Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature in Google Chrome that many users may not be aware of, opening bookmarks directly in an incognito window. This is especially handy if you want to keep your browsing private. Let's walk through the updated steps to do just that. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best experience. Once you have Chrome up and running, look to the top right corner of your screen. Next, click on the three dots. This icon represents the menu, and it's where all the magic happens. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing various options. From this menu, click on Bookmarks. This will expand another submenu where you'll find the option to manage your bookmarks more effectively. Now, select Show All Bookmarks. This action opens a new tab displaying all your saved bookmarks in a neat layout. Once you're in the Bookmarks tab, find the bookmark you want to open in incognito mode. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top of the Bookmarks Manager to locate it quickly. Now comes the exciting part. Right-click on the bookmark you've chosen. A context menu will pop up with several options. Look for Open in Incognito window and click on it. This will instantly open that bookmark in a new incognito window, allowing you to browse privately without saving any history. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily access your bookmarks while browsing incognito, ensuring your online activity remains private and secure. Remember, using incognito mode doesn't save your browsing history or cookies once you close the window. However, any files downloaded during this session will still be accessible in your Downloads folder. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!